iPad Air 4 2020 comes with 10.9-inch screen with Touch ID, whereas the iPad Pro 11-inch comes with 11-inch screen and a Face ID. Colors: iPad Air 4 2020 comes in silver, space grey, rose gold, green and sky blue. There are 5 color options, and iPad Pro 11-inch and also the 12-inch variant comes in space grey and silver. Storage: both the Wi-Fi plus cellular variants of the iPad Air 4 2020 comes in 64GB and 256GB variants only, whereas the iPad Pro 11 both Wi-Fi and cellular variants come with 128GB, 256GB, 512 and 1TB storage. Processor: iPad Air 4 2020 comes with A14 Bionic chip with neural engine. It's fast, it's a new chip and it can do a lot of things, and about 90% of the iPad users are probably going to get okay with this iPad Air 4, whereas the iPad Pro 11-inch comes with A12Z Bionic chip. It's very fast. It has much more cores than the A14 chip. Camera: the iPad Air 4 2020 comes with 7 megapixel HD camera in the front and a 12 megapixel wide camera with f1.8 aperture at the rear, which can shoot 4K, HD and slow-mo videos. iPad Pro 11-inch comes with 7 megapixel True Tone front-facing camera, and whereas it has 2 cameras at the back, 12 megapixel wide with f1.8, 10 megapixel ultra wide with f2.4, and it has a LiDAR sensor for 3D scanning, and it can shoot 4K, HD and slow-mo videos. Let's discuss who the iPads are for. 90% of the iPad users fall into the iPad Air category, who are business users, students and people who consume content. If you ask me, everybody can fit into this category. Whereas the iPad Pro is all for professionals who are creative professionals, pro illustrators, artists, architects and video editors, and people who use iPad for CPU and GPU intense tasks. Not many people fall under this category. Pricing: India versus US price differences being marked on the screen properly. Pause the screen, take a screenshot. These prices are as of 25th October 2020. So I have mentioned in detail both the Indian pricing, US pricing and differences between India and US, both for the Wi-Fi cellular variants of iPad Air 4 and iPad 11 Pro models. As India and US, 12 to 18,000 difference between all the variants, which is due to duty and other charges. Accessories: iPad Air 4 is compatible with all the iPad Pro accessories, which is the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen and the iPad Magic Keyboard. They have a folio case which is launched recently. I hope you like this quick comparison. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and if you have any comments, please mention in the comment section down below. If you want me to make an actual review of the iPad Air 4, mention to me in the comment section and I'll try to make a detailed review for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay happy.